Here's a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.0 Turbo Premium Edition, 27,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax, and a really pretty kind of champagne brown. Now, as far as the 2.0Ts, these things are hard to come by. They do have the upgrade 2.0 liter displacement turbo, thus the 2.0T badging. Also, all the options. This thing's loaded to the gills. We got your high intensity headlamps. We got your integrated lower fogs. Got your nice bold 3-bar Hyundai chrome front grille. As we continue around to the side, we got your nice alloy split spoke wheel, light new tires, 9, 10, 30 seconds, tons of tread, brand new rotor and brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Continuing with the high value options, we got full power seat on the passenger side, something a lot of these SUVs in the mid-size segment, do not have. We got full leather upholstered seating. We got a console that flows in between. We got a little synthetic wood grain that kind of breaks it up throughout the door panel and the dash, but really as you look inside, you can tell this is the high-level premium tier. As we continue to the back, now this is in the mid-size segment, but you can see very ample leg cup and shoulder room for your rear occupants in the back. You also can see you do have a 12-volt power supply back here to charge your electrical devices. Also, like I say, new tires, light new tires all the way around on this, matching Continentals. No scuffs or scrapes on that wheel. Brand new rear rotor and pad back on the back as well, as you can see. Now, continue around to the rear. Power lift gate. Another feature that you rarely see on a mid-size SUV, but this vehicle does have it. Also, another 12-volt power supply back there. You got your 40-20-40 fold down if you need a little more room. We do have some cargo organizers. You see your jack tools. Lift that up, you can see some other options and little hidden compartments there to keep some of your belongings, as you can see there. So this vehicle, like I say, very well equipped. Let's use the power hatch button here to lower that, and we'll continue on. Again, matching tires. No scuffs or scrapes on that wheel. It's in good shape. And just taking a peek here through the back. Again, very, very clean interior. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. I also wanted to show you this vehicle has heated rear seats. So, I mean, how many mid-size SUVs have that? You see the nice chrome Santa Fe Dorso entry guards. This is the top of the line all the way around. Ability to unlock your car doors with a push of a button just by having the key in your presence. I want to show you this key. It is a proximity key. You see the integrated fob, the power deck release for your power lift gate there. Full power seat on the driver's side, including lumbar as well. Also memory seating, as you can see, programmable to both the fobs. Will set your mirrors, radio stations, and seating just by hitting unlock on the door key there. You got your windows, your locks, and your mirrors all located right on the side. Let's go ahead and jump in. Put our foot in the brake, hit the start button. Right now the seat is automatically adjusting to my driver 1 setting. See, only 27,559 miles. Let's continue the tour here. You do have the dimmer switch, the downhill descent control, ability to toggle off your traction control. Also got the ability to switch it into economy mode, save some fuel. You got a heated steering wheel on this vehicle. You see the ability to lock it into 4-wheel drive, which is a nice feature. Allows you to take control of when the vehicle's in 4-wheel drive or not. Not all-wheel drives give you that feature. Ability to turn on or off your blind spot monitoring. So this vehicle does have blind spot monitoring. Got your high beam controls on the left of the stem, as well as your headlamp controls on the left of the stem, as well as your high beams and turn signals. We have audio controls on your steering wheel. We got here is your radar cruise. So in other words, this is going to set your distance from the front proximity sensors. So it will alert you or potentially even brake the car in the case of you coming up too quick on a car that you're traveling behind. There is your cruise control options as well. There's your Bluetooth to the lower right, and we do have your menu controls for all your customizable dash is controlled down here to the lower right. We got your intermittent wiper washers both on the front and the rear. As you can see, it's equipped with the factory nav. It's already on there. So let's go ahead and check some of the other options that we have here. Let me go to the menu. You see that's your options menu. Let's go AM, FM. See AM, FM, and satellite radio. See what else we have there. You can see all your different options. all your different settings. Of course, there's your analog controls. Do have your defrost over here, and of course, dual time climate temperature control. Does have the clean air feature. There is cabin filters in this to keep all the allergens out of the air. So if you have an allergy issue, this vehicle will help filter those out for you. We do have your connectivity down below. You can see USB and audio auxiliary pre-in, as well as a 12-volt power supply. Also want to show you it does have heated and cooled front seats. So we have heated rear seats, heated and cooled front seats. We got the shifter here with the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission by upshift or downshift. You have the ability to shut off your parking sensors there as well. 2 large cup holders. When we get into the console, there's another 12-volt power supply. Good bit of area there to keep your items. Now up here, again, some more destination waypoints. We got your universal home link, auto dim on your rear view. You can see a little integrated compass, LED map lights. Now this thing has the full pano roof. I don't know if you guys can get a good view of that. That glass goes all the way back over the entire length of this vehicle. So literally, this thing has every option. Illuminated visors. You can see you got your little light up here. Of course, here's all your controls for your shade and your sunroof. So let's go ahead and pop the hood, take a look underneath the hood area here. Like I say, this is the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, but turbocharged. And it really does move. Compared to your normal Santa Fe's, if you've ever driven one of the regular 2.4s, it's a completely different animal right here. But you can see very, very clean. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the terminals. Looks like a new one. Of course, excellent low miles at only 27,000 miles for a 15. Very much below average miles driven to year. Now, now that I went over all those, you can see the seat sliding back now for your easy exit. Now that I went over all those options I explained, we do keep a copy of the auto history report in the dash, mechanical evaluation in the glove box. Last part is me just give you a quick little walk around. We have a tiny little dent right there. I don't know if you can see it. Couple little very minor chips. First go around on this vehicle, it's exceptionally clean. Other than that one dent and a handful of stone chips as I was making my way around the first time, it really, really is in good shape. Excellent, excellent like new alternative here. See the lower sensors there in the back as well. Also, it does have a hitch. I don't know if I pointed that out the first time with integrated wiring. That's your chrome dual exhaust tips there. A couple little chips just back here in the corner. But other than that one dent and those couple chips there, that was really all I noticed on the first go round. There's a little spot on the door I missed, but really, really a like new alternative here. See, just a couple little cluster chips right there on that painted front fascia. I mean, that's very unavoidable. The aerodynamics of these vehicles. A couple little chips here on the hood as well. But there you have it, guys. Excellent, excellent like new alternative. Still does have a little remaining comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy this vehicle with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.